How many of you have seen Messi sir dribbling and cutting past the defenders very easily? Now, which are different types of fake passes that are inspired by Messi sir's style of play? Now, this is the first fake pass. Before learning this, let us assume that he's the defender and he's your teammate whom you have to pass the ball. So do this fake pass in the match only when you are in a crowded situation, like many defenders and your teammates are around you. You have to learn to give the fake pass to both the side of your defenders, because then only the defender will confuse. Otherwise, he will judge you that you are giving the fake pass to one direction only in the match. So if you can give in two directions, you can give fake pass to this side also, you can give fake pass to this side also, then the defender will confuse. He will not be able to know that either you are giving to this side or this side. Now, how to give the first type of fake pass in one direction? Like, this is the defender and he's your teammate, and you have to give the fake pass to him. You have to show the defender that you are giving this side, or you have to give this side. So try to have some code word with your teammates, like this or like this. You are just giving the code that you will give your teammate the fake pass, because your teammate can also get confused. So let's learn how to give. Run towards your defender, show him that you are giving the fake pass to this direction, and then only while running, slightly push the ball like this, touch like this. I will show you again. Run, push like this, and you have to run this side. Give him a code that you are giving him the fake pass that the defender doesn't know. Don't tell the defender that you are giving your teammate a code. So now I will show you firstly. Like this way, you are running this side, the defender also move with you, and your teammate will receive the pass. Now in the starting, as I've told you the basics of giving a fake pass, now let's learn how to give a fake pass if your teammate is in left side of the defender. Run, show him that you are giving the pass in this direction. Run, push the ball and run this way. Your teammate will receive the ball and you will run this way, and the defender will follow you, because you are showing the defender that you are running in that direction. If you are having a teammate in this direction, the defender will surely confuse. But if you are not having any teammate to the other direction, run that side. Okay? Otherwise, the defender will know that there is no teammate and you will give a fake pass. So he will not get confused. There's a pro tip for you guys. Either you are giving a fake pass on this direction or this direction. If you are giving fake pass in this direction, it means that the defender is assuming that you are giving pass in this direction, and you are also showing the defender that you are giving the pass in this direction. So you have to see in this direction at the end. You don't have to see in that direction. This is the mistake which you will do in the beginning. Like, you are showing that you are giving the pass in this direction, but at the end you will give this direction and you will do like this. You also have to see in this direction. You don't have to see there at the end, because this will not confuse the defender. This is the right way. You have to see here. Your teammate will receive the ball if you are having good communication with code words. Now, how to give next type of fake pass? I hope you understand by seeing this only. Because you have to run towards the defender, as this is the defender and he is your teammate, and you are showing him that you are giving pass in this direction, but you are giving the pass in this direction. So have some codes with your teammate, like you are giving the fake pass which your defender doesn't know, and run towards the defender. You have to do these fake pass very fastly, then only you can confuse the defenders, because the defenders are very clever. You have to run here. Tiki taka. This fake pass is alternate of the previous one which I've shown you, and these two are like brothers and sisters, these two fake passes. So use these fake passes alternately in the match. So I have shown you two types of fake passes. The first one was a set and second one is also a set. So you have to learn both of these to cut past the defender. So let's learn how to give in this direction. So he is your teammate and he is the defender. So these were the different types of fake passes that were inspired by Messi's style of play. So which one was your favorite? Comment down below. So which is the best shari or quote that we have chosen from the last video, and it's by S40 Blogs. Everyone is kicking, even an unborn baby is kicking. And that is why football is the greatest sport in the world. Wow. So guys, if you guys also have some inspiring quote or shari, you can also comment down. Do you guys want to learn more ways how you can improve yourself as a footballer? There's a link of the full playlist here. You can go and check out there. And in the description and in comment section also, you can find the link of that playlist in which we have posted all videos of how you can improve yourself as a football player. So till next time, do football training, do freestyle training, do regular football training, because it's football time.